Channel Target JRF. So today I'll be showing you how to play the quiz from our Telegram group freely provided quiz links PDF. So this is the freely provided quiz link PDF in our Telegram group Target JRF 2026 and as well as Target JRF. This is a material channel. This also. So in this I have already shared a quiz. Already shared the PDF link. So if you click on this PDF link, use in a paper one, it will open. There are n number of quiz links here. So you can click on any link. It will take you to quizzing directly. So quiz link, I'm just clicking on the quiz link and it will take me to external site of quiz. So there you can see directly that yes, I am ready. You can see get ready quiz number 31. So I am ready. Click on I am ready. Then it will automatically start 2, 1. So then it will automatically start. So then what happens? So you can click on any of the things. If it is wrong, it will show in red in color. If it is wrong, it will show in red in color. If it is right, it will turn to green in color. So just like this. So then you can stop at any time this quiz just by clicking stop. You can see here stop quiz is there. Stop quiz is there. Just by clicking stop, it will stop. But now I am not going to stop the quiz because I want to show you the error. So then it's a quiz is been playing. So what I did, I came back from the quiz and I'm going for again the PDF and checking the quiz once again. One more quiz. I'm just checking this one more quiz. Then it will show, sorry, the quiz 31 UGC is currently in progress. Please stop the quiz. So when you are playing a quiz already, it will ask you to stop the quiz to start a new quiz. Otherwise, you can continue with the same quiz and then after finishing it, you can start the new quiz. Or else you can just stop it. So, and then you can go back to your PDF and select any of the quiz which you wanted to attend. So now it will not show that error. Now it is showing I am ready, right? So you can click and just go for it. Otherwise, there is one more error you will get. Suppose the error when you will, suppose I am telling you the error you get is one more error which you get. See, I am showing you one more error which you get. So I am just going back once again. The quiz links, any of the quiz links, doesn't matter again. So sorry, wait, any of the quiz links, let us go back. Yes. So now the one more error that you get is you have an unfinished quiz. Please finish creating your quiz or send cancel. So this when you get this kind of error, you can just click on cancel and it will ask quiz discarded. Quiz discarded. Do you want to continue new quiz or it's okay like that? So that time you don't need to do anything. You have to just cancel it. After that, you just immediately go back to your PDF and click on any link. It will automatically open. Okay. So click on any link, it will automatically, definitely it will open after canceling it. So why this problem comes is after canceling, see this now the quiz is ready to play. So why this problem comes is because now you check, I'll get once again the same error. I'm clicking new quiz. Suppose you might have done it new quiz unknowingly, you might have click on new quiz. So when you do it, it won't start any quiz if you try like that, and you leave that and you come back to the quiz PDF and you will check for that and it will show you have unfinished quiz. So you don't need to start a new quiz actually like this. If you start in the quizbot, if you click like new quiz, then this error will come. So you don't need to do that. You have to, if this error comes, you have to just cancel it and go back to our PDF and again you can play the quiz as usual. I hope you understood it. If you have any clarity, if you need any clarity, you can use the comment box to ask your doubts. I'll clarify it at any time when I see that. And you can follow the YouTube and share, subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much. You can share the group. It's a free Telegram group. You can share it to your friends also. So whomever it is beneficial. So all the best for your net JRF exam. See you in the next week.